Hi everyone, in before videos I have made how we can earn money by writing reviews on tools as well as softwares, and also have made another video by writing the test we can earn some dollars. So if you missed that videos, the link was available in description. Just go and watch. It's like a part-time income and it's very genuine websites. Now in this video, I'll tell how we can earn money by data entry jobs. So I'll show the genuine websites here. So let's watch this video. So the website name is 2captcha. So this is the data entry job. So we'll get like a captchas here. So if from this website, I think when I'm in BTech I used to do here. So we can write and we can solve this. If we solve these 1000 captchas, we'll get like $0.50. So it is like really real income, and which is very genuine website. But the only thing is we need to hard work very much. We need to write many captchas. We need to do that, and we'll get like these type of captchas here, and we need to type here. So what is the use of this website means, actually sometimes we'll get like a some websites, while we are browsing, we'll get like a to solve the captcha. So for that, how it validates it's a correct captcha if user enters. Because of these types of websites only we'll get this one. So here the admins will enters the captcha, so it will take that and it will valid the real captchas. Actually, if we go some websites, we'll get like it's not a robot, we'll get some captcha, we need to enter that captcha. For example, in IRTC website only we'll get like that. So I'll show the genuine and real example. So here this is the IRTC page, right? So while login or while booking a ticket, so it will ask to enter the captcha here, right? So here you can see that if I click on login, so here you can see that the captcha, it was asking to enter some captcha, right? OQYNB. So it is very easy captcha. Generally we can understand, we can do that. So how this captchas is coming from and everything. So there will be some real websites like 2captcha, and some websites are there. So the data entry job holders will write these captchas, and they will run these. They will use to validate. So if you are typing correct captchas, so for 1000 captchas will earn this many rupees. So if you are a student, you want to get some amount for some pocket money, if you want to get like a 2000 or 3000 rupees for pocket money, so this is the best website. But by this website we are not going to learn anything, but it's like a just side income. It's like a part-time income for us, which is best for students to earn the money. So I hope this is very useful content to you. I have made game development tutorials, like 40 plus tutorials, and you can learn by the end of these 40 plus tutorials you are able to develop games. And also I made 20 plus tutorials on Python I'm doing now, and you can find the link was available in description, that by Python you can learn entirely what is the programming language, what is Python. You can learn lot many things in that. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll come with the new videos and new tutorials for you, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, just hit that subscribe button and give a like and share, and also just comment in comment section. Definitely I'll